What is open source? Open source code is source code posted publicly and online, allowing anyone to view, access, and use for free. Developers can use available open source code to develop their own software or suggest changes and add new features. Source code is a set of instructions and commands written by a programmer in a computer programming language to determine how a piece of software, program, application, etc. operates. In the crypto market, most blockchains and protocols are built on open source systems to ensure openness and transparency. Projects will often post their open source code publicly on GitHub, the largest source code management and storage platform today. Advantages of open source software. The biggest advantage of open source software is its accessibility and efficiency. As mentioned before, anyone has the right to view, suggest modifications, or use available open source code to develop their own software. This helps facilitate collaboration and knowledge sharing among programmers in the community. They can together review and contribute ideas to improve source code, detect and handle errors promptly, thereby creating more effective and quality software. Promote creativity and innovation by allowing new features to be proposed, or developing new ideas based on available source code. Saves more time and resources than if developers have to research and reprogram the software themselves from scratch. In addition, using open source code also brings the following benefits. Enhanced security. By allowing more people to contribute and review the source code, security vulnerabilities can be discovered and fixed quickly, helping to improve the security of the software. Flexible customization. Users can freely change or expand features on open source code, thereby creating products that suit their own needs and purposes. Cost-effective. Because it is developed voluntarily and relies on the collaboration of many people. Open source code has lower costs than commercial software, provided exclusively by a third party. The result is reduced costs for both project developers and end users. Transparency and reliability. Open source code is posted on a free and public platform, allowing users to freely learn and research to understand how the software works. This contributes to creating user trust in the project. Why does crypto need open source? The emergence of blockchain technology not only breaks all principles of the old financial system, but it is also the core technology to build and develop the crypto market. Accordingly, Bitcoin and Ethereum, the two blockchains with the largest market shares today, are both open source blockchains. The characteristic properties of blockchain are decentralization, openness, and transparency. This is completely consistent with the benefits that open source brings as described above. In particular, the decentralization of blockchain means no centralized entity has control over the network. On the contrary, the network will be operated and maintained by a system of globally distributed nodes. The source code of the blockchain protocol is shared publicly. Everyone has the right to suggest additions or modifications on how it works. Note that the proposal must still go through a rigorous review and evaluation process by professionals. Blockchain ensures decentralization, openness, and transparency. This is how blockchain eliminates a centralized third party, like banks in the traditional financial system, but still creates trust for users. Besides, open source blockchain platforms also encourage developers to take advantage of available resources to build decentralized applications, dApps, and meet all user needs.